doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we are opening up the January 2020 Rose War Panty Power or RWPP box. I love getting this subscription. So this is a period subscription. So every month you get some organic period products, so like tampons and pads, and then you also get some like lifestyle type items that will help make that time of the month, you know, a little bit better. And my favorite part, you get 2 pairs of cute panties every month as well. I think this is such a great subscription. It costs just over $25. I do have a code I will share here on the screen and down below that will save you some money on your first box. So if you're interested after watching, definitely make sure to use that to save some money. It's not an affiliate code, it is just to help you guys out. So yeah, let's get started. This is what the box looks like every month. Super cute. And open it up, there is a card on top, and then everything is wrapped nicely in some tissue paper. It says, welcome to January box full of joy. What's inside this month's box? 100% organic period products. You get 15 total, valued at $7. 2 undies, that's price range from $18 to $25. 18 to 25, I feel like I said that word. Along with 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts from below. So based on like your profile and stuff, when you sign up, they'll pick things for you and they check off what's inside, and it also gives pricing information, which I like. So let's get this tissue open and see. Ooh, the first thing I see on top is, it looks like it might be CBD tea, which I really like. It says organ made CBD. So you can see some like sachet packets in there. Let's see what it says. On the back it says handmade with love. Yep, it is tea. Oh, that's great. So inside it has 0.5 grams of hemp flowers per bag, caffeine free, staple free, bleach free, terpene rich. So yeah, this is hemp tea. I've gotten the CBD box, actually a couple CBD boxes in the past, and one of them contains CBD tea, and I had it at night and it was really calming and helped me sleep better, so I'm super excited to get this. I'm way more into like CBD you consume more than like beauty, I guess. I mean, I've heard there's benefits in both, but like I personally have experienced more benefits consuming CBD. So Essence Skincare CBD Chakra Tea, this is $7. That's not a bad price. CBD is really expensive. It looks like there's 2 tea bags in here. So I mean that 2 for $7, but like sometimes it's like $10 just for 1 tea bag. So I'm really happy they included this. I think that's great for like, you know, around the period time too, because it can like just ease you. I don't know, you know, if you're PMSy, I know we all have different experiences, but I already have anxiety, but I can get more anxious and stuff around that time of the month. So awesome, great start to the unboxing. Oh, and then we have some soap. I thought I smelled something pepperminty. This is Milo Peppermint Natural Soap Bar. It's made with coconut oil and shea butter. It's 3.5 ounces. It's wrapped up very cutely. And I think this is a surprise gift. Usually in every box they do include something as a surprise. I don't see this listed here, so that must be what it is. So my surprise gift this month is a bar of soap. Oh, and there's a Rose War Panty Power sticker on the back. They oftentimes include little snacks just as a bonus. This isn't like one of the gifts they include. So, oh, I see 2 snacks in here. I love snacks and treats. So this is by Orion. This is a choco pie with marshmallow filling. Ooh, sometimes they send snacks I've never tried before, and this is one of them. But that looks yummy. And something I have tried before and I think is so delicious is a Lindt Lindor truffle. I love these. This probably won't last very long. After this video, I'll be like, and then eating some chocolate. But next up, we have something by Be Fine Food Skincare Exfoliating Cleanser with brown sugar, sweet almond, and oats. This is 1 ounce. It says allergen-free, fragrance, and paraben-free. It has vegetarian proteins. B-Fact, our cleanser exfoliates and removes impurities while naturally balancing your skin's moisture. Brown sugar, almonds, and oats removes excess oil and nourishes dry skin. Okay, so we have an exfoliating face wash. Skincare is such a great form of self-care, at least in my opinion, in my experience. Like, that's how I practice self-care, so I like getting stuff like this. And this cleanser is $15. Wow. Then we have something in here. Oh, is this a headband? Oh my god, I don't think this is listed here. You guys, I love headbands of all sorts, and it's an American one. Awesome. So, American flag headband, so you could use this when you are washing your face, get your hair out of your face. A lot of times I wear headbands like this when I'm doing my makeup or washing my face, so awesome. I think this is so cute, and they don't list it on here, so this is another extra. I'm like smelling it because everything smells like peppermint from that soap. But wrapped up in that headband, which I'm obsessed with. I'm like ready for 4th of July now. But this is the Essence Skincare Dragon's Blood Toner. Ooh. Hydrating with Helichrysum. I don't know. Helichrysum. I don't know what that is, to be honest. Healthier, smooth texture. You know what? I'm going to do a quick Google search. What is that word? Of course, my phone is dying. Always. My phone's always dying. I'm like that girl. Oh, it's a type of flower. The like common name is everlasting flowers. I know my screen's really dirty. Alright, cool. So this toner is $10 and it's supposed to give healthier, smoother skin texture. It's organic, gluten-free, made in Portland, and freshly made with love. I just feel like sniffing it. Ooh. It smells very earthy. So yeah, cool. Sometimes with these spray toners, I don't know how the spray is, but sometimes if it's like too rough of a spray to spray directly on my face, I'll put it in my hands. Like, let's see what the spray's like. Oh, that's a really nice mist, actually. Nice. I'm impressed. And then let's look at our tampon products. Oh, I love how they're wrapped in this like colorful rainbow. So I get organic tampons. There is a mixture of regular and super in here. And then we also have a mixture of pad absorbencies. And I love this brand. We always get 2 of these wipes by Eurovagenius. So they're down there wipes. They're flushable. So just like, you know, keep you feeling clean. These are nice to like have in your bag. So we have them in the rose water scent. And then last but definitely not least, we have 2 pairs of panties. So let's take a look at these. I totally wear mine that I've gotten last month. So when you sign up, you can let them know your size. So mine are always my right size and I love them. So it looks like we got a black pair and a floral pair. Let's start with this one. Ooh, and this one is a thong. This has pretty flowers and there is like a little bow on top. I like that. And then look at the back. It's like more lacy. Let's see if there's more information on here. So this was designed in Portland. It's made with 45% polyester, 45% nylon, and 10% spandex. Feels really nice. I think that is just such a cute pattern. And then we have a pair of black regular undies. Oh, these seem really comfy and nice. This is like my go-to type, especially when I'm on period, like black underwear. I do have some period specific underwear now. I have a review coming in the future. I've been working on it for a couple months now, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so these are black and have like a little bit of lace on the end and a little bow right here. And regular underwear is in, it covers your full booty, it's not a thong. And this is by Laura Ashley. And this is 95% cotton and 5% spandex. Nice. I always am happy with the underwear we got. So we have black regular undie, and then we have this pretty floral thong. And then we have, just quick recap, we have our period essentials. So we have pads and tampons, and I love that they're organic. This is how they are in every box. I only use organic period products, so I love that. Sometimes in period products there can be like fragrance or other bad things. You don't want to put that inside you, especially with tampons, because your V is a very like absorbable area. Like it can really take in some of those bad things. So I think organic is important, at least in my opinion. We have Eurovagenius wipes. I think this is so fun. We got a little extra headband that we can wear when we're using our face wash, the Be Fine Food Skincare Exfoliating Cleanser. And then after we cleanse our face, we can use our new toner. The Essence Skincare Dragon's Blood Toner with that word I can't really pronounce, but it is from the Everlasting Flower family. We have the Peppermint Natural Soap Bar. We have our treats, which I think is so important. I mean, any time of the month, any time of the day, I'm down for some treats. But we have two like chocolatey type treats. And what I'm the most excited about is that we got some CBD tea. So I am really excited to try this because I have tried it in the past, not this kind or this brand specifically, but like I said, it really did help me sleep, and sometimes I struggle with sleep. I'm getting a little better. You guys have probably heard me talk about it or noticed in my last video. I've been a little tired, but yeah, I think this was a great month. Great month. So you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I'm going to link them down below. That promo code, definitely use that if you sign up to save some money. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I really do love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!